Industry constantly has to come up with new and faster answers to shifting challenges. How can you efficiently develop and launch products? What are the right technologies for doing so with sustainable value creation? How can you reduce energy consumption and carbon emissions? The digital transformation offers many answers. It makes processes more flexible, sustainable, and efficient. Speed up your digitalization. But where to start? As experts, we support companies from all industries on their path to the digital transformation with a proven process that takes them reliably toward their goal. Discover the digital enterprise with all its potential and identify the special challenges. Together, we identify your specific digitalization drivers based on technologies, market demands, and operational requirements. Our experts work with you to develop the digital capabilities necessary for your transformation. In the next step, we identify state-of-the-art technologies and the digitalization solutions that are right for you. Together, we evaluate digitalization projects and define budgets, and develop the necessary IT/OT architecture with the support of experienced specialists. The result is a roadmap for the digital transformation, tailored to your company and your individual requirements. Our experts support you throughout implementation. Join us on the path to the digital transformation and make industry more sustainable. Make reliable decisions and take advantage of our wide-ranging, in-depth expertise and many years of project experience.